Windows can't find the Windows Core Interlocked API DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Before we begin our Windows Core Interlocked API walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Windows Core Interlocked API, a foundational API shim for interlocked operations. It provides unmanaged routines for atomic memory manipulation, facilitating the data link for thread-safe orchestration within the system manifest. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running SFC Scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Windows Core Interlocked API DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Windows Core Interlocked API file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. The version of Windows Core Interlocked API DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Windows Core Interlocked API. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Windows Core Interlocked API dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.